Good morning, students. Now, today I am going to start Political Life, chapter number 2. Name of the chapter is Role of the Government in Health. So, all of you see page number 18 and 19. I am reading this paragraph, this one, and try to understand. In a democracy, students, you know the meaning of democracy. Democracy means a type of government in which rule of the country which is ruled by the representatives, people's representatives, and these representatives which are elected by the people through the elections. So such type of government is called the democratic government. So in a democracy, in a democratic government, people expect, now people believe that, what they believe that, what they think that the government to work for their welfare. In a democratic government, people believe that, we can say, the expect, people's expectations, government will work for people, for the people's welfare. Government will provide various facilities for the development of society as well as the country also. This could be through the provisions, underline provisions. Provisions means supplies of education, health, employment, housing, or the development of roads, electricity, etc. This could be through means work. Whatever the people, whatever they expect. So the government can fulfill people's expectations by providing what? Education, health, employment, various jobs, housing facilities, development of roads, and providing electricity also. In this chapter means chapter number 2, we shall examine, we will see what the meanings and problems related to health, the meaning of health in this chapter, particularly chapter number 2, role of the government in health. So we have to learn, we have to understand what is health, the meaning of health, as well as the problems which are related to our health. Look at the subheadings of this chapter. Now you can see so many subheadings also. What is health, etc. So healthcare in India, so many subheadings. So all these subheadings while reading. In what ways do you think this topic is related to the work of government? So health, our health, this topic which is related to work of government. It's a government's responsibility to provide good facilities to maintain our health properly. Now students, see this paragraph, this one I am reading, and try to understand also. In this paragraph we will learn and we try to understand the meaning of health. What is health? We can think of health in many ways. We can think of health in many ways means as per our ideas, as per our thinking. So health means what? Many people, they think the health means this one, that one, etc. Health means our ability to remain free of illness and injuries. Underline this one. What is health? Health means we are able to be free from any type of illness and any type of injuries. So that we can say I am a healthy person, etc. But health isn't only about disease. So health, this we can say the meaning of health, it is not related to only any type of disease. You may have associated only some of the situations in the above collage. Collage, underline. Now here this word. You may have associated only some of the situations. Now you can see so many situations in the above collage. Collage means a picture made by stitching other picture also onto a surface. A picture, various pictures. A picture which is made by stitching other pictures, various types of pictures on a surface. So such type of painting, and we can say the picture, it is called the collage. So students, try to understand. This is the, we can say, here you can see this collage. So many pictures which are here. We can see the together. You can see so many pictures. A collection of picture, we can say in a simple way. Collage means a collection of pictures. You can see so many pictures here, and above also here. So if you observe this collage, a collection of pictures, so you can see different situations. In some picture, okay, you can see the rural families, how they are facing water scarcity problem, food scarcity problem, now medicals, as well as the dispensaries, now fear, anger, now health problem, etc. You can see so many pictures. Slum area also. So students, try to understand this one. I am reading. Now after reading, or we can say the observation, this collage, so what we often ignore is the fact that each of the above situations, but generally we try to ignore, and please don't try to ignore also, but generally some people, they try to ignore some we can say the situations, but we have to focus on every situations, that each of the above situations, everyone is related to health. Each of the above situations, each one, okay, all these situations which are related to our health. Whatever you are seeing the picture in the above collage, so each picture, each situation which is related to our health, apart from disease, now disease, illness, we need to think of other factors that affect our health. Now whenever we see and read health, so just you think that, oh, illness and disease means this only two words related to health. No. So apart from, we can say the disease also, that is a part, but apart from this one, we have to think other factors also which are affected on our health. For example, try to understand, students. For example, if people get clean drinking water or a pollution free environment, they are likely to be healthy. This is the other factors. If we are getting clean drinking water, and if we are living pollution free environment, so definitely our health, very good health, we are called the healthy person. On the other hand, the opposite situation, if people do not get adequate food, adequate means enough to eat, or have to live in cramped means cramped, crowded area, cramped conditions, they will be prone to illness. Here, prone underline means likely. If they are not getting enough food for eating, as well as they are living in a crowded area, slum area, uncomfortable area, so definitely, so they will be, we can say, the prone to illness. It means so many diseases will be caught to them. Now students, this one I am reading last lines or short paragraph. All of us would like to be active and in a good spirits in whatever we may be doing. So all of us, everyone, we want to be active, and we want to be, okay, we can say, the healthy, and we want to live very comfortable life also with a spirit, and we want to do better than others. It isn't healthy to be dull, inactive, anxious. Anxious means here nervous, and scared. Scared means feeling of fear for long stretches of time. It isn't healthy to be, means no one likes to be, okay, to live in such a conditions, in a dull condition, in we can say the inactive mood, nervous, in a we can say the fear condition, okay, like this. We all need to be without mental strain. Here strain, underline strain means, we can say, the tension. No one okay, we can say the wants to live in a, we can say, the pressure conditions, we can say the having a mental situations, mental tension, we can say the without, everyone wants to live without tensions. Now students, try to understand. So tension free, in short, simply we can say that, so people, they want to live how? Tension free life. Whatever the tension, whatever the problems, they want to remove from their lives. All of these various aspects of our lives are a part of health. Now all these are whatever we have, okay, just studied, and just we have we can say the saw in the, we can say, the above paragraph. So all these are related aspects, various aspects, all these are factors which are related to our health. So these are the part of our life, health, as well as the everyone want to be happy, as well as the, we can say, the tension free life. We want to live tension free life. So try to understand this chapter, student. This is very we can say the simple and very interesting lesson, role of the government in health. So remaining paragraph we will read in next clip.